Hi, I'm Simon from the Red Ferret, and this is the Chipolo Find Your Everything. So this is a simple device that connects your belongings to the Chipolo app on your phone and helps you find them. So this is actually a Bluetooth tracker, it's a key finder, and it's water resistant as well. Hi, let's get started. Find the app at Chipolo. It's very small, it's very lightweight, it's plastic, and it's like a coin or something. It's pretty cool. So there is a battery inside this thing. Oh my. Oh, now it works. Okay. Oh, so you really have to press the Chipolo against your phone and then it works. Okay. So I can use this for my keys, for example. So I can now see on the map where my Chipolo is, if it would load. So I can click on my Chipolo, let it ring, and then you can turn it off via your phone or via your Chipolo. You can also find your phone with the Chipolo as well. So it can pinpoint exactly where it is. So that's actually pretty cool. But if you lose the Bluetooth connection, you won't find it. So it has to be close to you in order to find it. So it's now ringing and I can hear it downstairs. So I'm going to go pick it up. So as you can see, it's pretty small, it's lightweight, and it can fit your keys easily with the hole as well. Only problem I have with these is that it's via Bluetooth. So if you lose them anywhere else in another country, you won't be able to find this. So yeah, still pretty cool if you lose them at your house or anywhere close to you, so that you can make a connection to it. And you can also see where it was last seen as well, so that's cool. So should you buy this Chipolo? It's pretty cheap and it's pretty cool if you tend to forget your keys a lot at home and you leave them somewhere deep down in the holes of your home. I don't know. Yeah, then it can be useful if you're someone who tends to forget a lot. But this won't work if you go on a trip, you leave it somewhere and you're back home, for example, in another country, and then you fire up the app. It's Bluetooth. It's not GPS, it's Bluetooth, so that won't work. But yeah, it's a pretty cool device. It will also give you a notification when you're far from, or when it's disconnected. For example, if you left your key somewhere and it's connected, and then you go away, you get a notification, oh, you forgot your keys. So that's actually pretty neat. Alright, if you have any questions regarding this Chipolo, let them know in the comment section down below and I'll be very glad to answer them. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, leave a like down below. If you didn't, leave a dislike and tell us why, so we can improve our videos. And I hope I'll see you, yes, you who's watching this behind your phone or behind your computer screen, I don't know, in our next video. Bye bye.